Come on. Come on.
This is a female. Young boys. Say young boys, they always like to show off.
Is he showing off or is he just inquisitive?
Showing off.
Because he's got his ears wide. That's right.
Yeah. More charge. Any too well from mama.
Turn the flash off. About us as we are.
Very curious.
Look at you can see his eyelid. Do you see his eyelashes, right?
Hello. Oh, I want to come and say hello.
That was pretty down.
Not sure what to do with he.